Hello and welcome to another episode of MCK Auto. We're gonna be showing you how to replace bulbs for Volkswagen Polo 5th generation. That's also type 6R or 6C, manufactured between 2009 and 2018. So in the front you've got H7 bulbs for dip beam and main beam, and WY21W bulbs for the indicators, and also the T10 for side lights for the position lights. So as you can see, the indicators they have to be special ones. We had to source them, but we finally found exactly the ones that will fit, that will not be too big and that will never show up error on the dashboard. We tested with the customer, everything was perfectly fine. As you can see, the instant on and off with them is amazing, and also the side lights you can see in this part are really bright, really nicely lighting up the whole front of the car, and together with indicators you've got that modern look on them. As you can see the label here, you can access the bulbs from there. It's quite easy. Open the cap and just swap the bulbs in the car. So again, the side lights here with a nice bright white light for them, and the indicators. This is the bulb that we found. This is exact straight swap, no tools, no nothing required. Just pull it out and swap the indicators. As for the fog lights, you can go for cheap ones just to have a nice effect, or you can get like a very strong nice ones. We put link to all bulbs in the description below with all the options that we have currently on sale, the best quality and the cheaper ones and the higher priced ones. You can buy whichever you prefer. As you can see, the fog lights is looking very good, and these bulbs fitted are one of our cheaper ones, so they might not be the same beam pattern, too strong on the road, but they look very nice from the distance, and you can use them as daytime running lights as well. As for the rear, we'll put the links in the description. The customer didn't want to swap them, but you've got the side lights, the indicators, and the reverse bulbs all without arrows. We're just gonna put the link down below for you. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, support the channel, and help us grow. Thank you very much.